If you want to learn English, then this video is for you. Learn 10 daily used English vocabulary. Here you will learn commonly used English vocabulary with nice sentences. Let's start. Ability. Ability. It's a noun. Means power or capacity to do, or talents or special skills. Power or capacity to do, or talents or special skills. Composing music is beyond his abilities. Composing music is beyond his abilities. Absence. Absence. It's a noun. Failure to attend or appear when expected. Failure to attend or appear when expected. Your absence was noted on the records. Your absence was noted on the records. Accept. Accept. It's a verb. It means to take or receive or to agree or consent to or accede to. Accept means to take or receive or to agree, consent to or accede to. I'll try to accept your proposal. I'll try to accept your proposal. Accident. Accident. It's noun. It means harm, injury, damage or loss, or chance or fortune or luck. Harm, injury, damage or loss or chance or fortune or luck. I was there by accident. I was there by accident. As if. As if. It's a verb. As if means to get or attain by effort, or gain or obtain. To get or attain by effort, or gain or obtain. It's not so easy to achieve victory in war. It's not so easy to achieve victory in war. Acknowledgement. Acknowledgement. It's a verb. Recognize the existence, truth or fact of. Recognize the existence, truth or fact of. The students acknowledged the authority of student council. The students acknowledged the authority of student council. Active. Active. It's an adjective. Engaged in action characterized by energetic work. Engaged in action characterized by energetic work. Participation like busy. Active also means busy. He leads an active life. He leads an active life. Actually. Actually. It's an adverb. As an actual or existing fact like really. As an actual or existing fact like really. Actually, UN, United Nations is trying to do something better for the world. Actually, United Nations is trying to do something better for the world. Like the video if you are benefited. Thanks for watching.
Above, it's a preposition, more in quantity or number than, in excess of, overhead or in sky. All girls above 20 years old of age. All girls above 20 years of age. The weight is above a ton. The weight is above a ton. Abroad. It's both adverb and noun. A foreign country or broadly or widely or far and wide. A foreign country or broadly, widely or far and wide. Robin is famous at home and abroad. Robin is famous at home and abroad.